I actually am with the Mumbai Heroes, but I'm not playing this year because I have an injury. So I'll be there to cheer my team on. I hope they win the cup this time. They always come very close. And yeah, it's happy times. Celebrity cricket league all the time. Yeah, I know, man. I'm just happy people miss me. That's all. You know, it's good. It's good to just be back, and I don't think I'm going to take any more of a break now. But it's been fun. I think yes.
रणवीर जी बता रहे थे कि आप बहुत फिल्मों को प्रमोट कर रहे हो, फिल्म शामिल हो ही नहीं पा रहे प्रमोशन में।
कौन रणविजय कह रहा था?
कि आप बहुत प्रमोट कर रहे हो।
मैं बहुत ये बोल रहा है कि मैं प्रमोट कर ही नहीं रहा हूँ.
नहीं, मैंने कहा ये कर
No, that's not true. Actually, he's been busy with Pukar and he's been busy shooting. But of course, whenever Ranvijay is around, it's always funner to do things because he just brings in the life. And yeah, we are here. We're here to do a lot of things. Support my team, promote our film, and hang out Saturday. You know, cricket times, game. Let's have some fun. Dude, you know, I seriously want India to win the World Cup again. I think, you know, we all were planning to go and support our team in Australia and New Zealand. Let's see how it works out. But I think we have a good team. I think we have a cup-winning team, and I think let's see. Yeah, it's you know, the pitches out there are much different to the pitches that they're used to winning on. So it's good that they're having an Australian. You know, kind of match up right before because they get used to the pitches. But it all depends on our bowlers really, more than our batsmen. We really hope that our bowlers do something fantastic. Who's missing in the team? You know, I mean, see, there's very variations that you can go with, but I think it'll greatly depend on the fast bowlers like Umesh Yadav and what do you call it? No, Mohammad Shami, Ishan, you know, these guys will have to perform because it's hardcore, you know, swinging pitches and of course the batsmen, the top three. I mean, the Kohlis, the Dhawans, they'll have to really click. Of course, we've got some great finishers. Dhoni is amazing. I mean, he's a great finisher. We have. Riane, who's a really good player. I think he's a guy with his head on his shoulders. So we have a World Cup winning team, but it's all how they come together. Who? The Sharmas for the Kohlis in the sense? Man, you know, that's like, I don't know, man. I don't want to comment on that. You know, each one to their own. I think they make a happy couple. You know, it's always good when you have people who love cheering you on. So, you know, big deal, yeah. I think let them play well, let them get together, and I don't know if I should comment about that. That's something personal to them. हाँ, क्यों नहीं देखा मैं यार? नहीं, हम लोग टीवी पे ही देख रहे थे उस वक्त यार. लेकिन we can't forget the six that Dhoni hit. I think it was a classic picture. It was a classic finish, and of course we hope that these guys do something magical in Australia and New Zealand. सबसे पहले किसने कहा कब? अब या उस वक्त? यार कसम से किसी को लगा नहीं कि इंडिया जीतने वाली थी क्योंकि परफॉर्मेंसेस काफ़ी ऊपर नीचे थे. लेकिन युवराज इतनी अच्छी तरह से खेला. I mean, he made such a big impact in the Australia match, the semi-finals. और हाँ, ज़रूर I feel somehow Yuvraj should be included because against the Australians, Yuvraj just comes alive all the time. So I really hope Yuvraj is. कैसे सेलिब्रेट किया ये तो नहीं बता सकता हूँ. आप घर पे नहीं थे तो मैं क्यों बताऊँ? Absolutely. I think, come on, dude. I mean, he's one of those absolute amazing heroes. He's done so well for India all the time. He's always delivered at the times when, everything looked quite dull and sad. and especially against the Australians, Yuvraj comes alive, and I really hope he picks. Yuvraj is picked up because some people, they are match winners and they come alive in big games. And Yuvraj is one of those guys who has a lot of match experience, and especially against Australia, I think he's got like this rivalry going on, which is really good for the game. But yeah, we see that in Kohli. He's quite an aggressive captain, so let's hope he takes all his aggressive, influence and all his aggressive attitude to the game, to the sport, to the pitch. And yeah, man, we'll be cheering them on. Hopefully, I'll go for the finals and kick ass and cheer them on out there. Yeah. Till then, watch Sharafat Gayi Tel Lene. See you. Thanks, guys.
Cricket, now I haven't been following any sport. Not for this year. But today is Salman Khan's team, obviously. Goes without saying, sorry.
वर्ल्ड कप के लिए आपको मतलब लाइक यू आर एक्साइटेड फॉर द वर्ल्ड कप विनिंग चैंपियन
I am, although I feel there's always tremendous pressure when you're already the defending champions. And I feel really sad for Dhoni because he's going to have to deal with a truckload of pressure. But I mean, it'll be fun. We're just going in really strong, and luckily we still have a strong team. So I think it'll be fun to at least support them and back them, and we have good chances again.
किसी को मिस करेंगे आप किसी प्लेयर को जो मतलब नहीं हो शामिल हो पाया
Tendulkar, I guess. Yeah.
ओके और यहाँ लोग पूछना चाह रहे हैं अनुष्का शर्मा क्या लकी है हमारी मतलब टीम के लिए
Well, so long as we win, let anyone come, let anyone go, and then, they're all going to be lucky.
ग्राउंड पे किसी से सुन
It's going to be all Anushka. It's not the team. It's all Anushka. Get her onto the stadium,
अच्छा आपने बोला अभी आप वर्ल्ड कप की वजह से आपका मतलब मानसिक रूप से आप अलग हो गए थे क्रिकेट
हाँ.
2011 में आपने इंडिया श्रीलंका का मैच देखा ना
Of
फिनाले
course.
कहाँ थी मतलब कहाँ देखा था आपने
मैं एक फ्रेंड के घर में थी, and we were of course like hooting and cheering as was everyone else in that building. And the finale was actually getting ridiculously crazy. It was like New Year's Eve when your phone gets jammed. You're trying to call your friends and your family and hoot and scream and cheer, but you're not able to get through because everyone's lines are jammed. It was really but the show of patriotism that I felt, that we all felt that night, with everyone waving the flags and everybody out on the street singing songs, I don't think I've ever experienced in my lifetime. And there are lots of people who said that the last that something like that was experienced was during independence. But it was really fun to see that euphoria. सब लोग बोल रहे थे. We were all really confident. Of course, everyone went in really strong for that match, and we were playing really well. And so, of course, as an Indian, your support would be with India. But that, there were lots of ups and downs that happened in that match. And everyone was like, don't move your chair. And, if you're eating, keep eating. How we behave during a match. So that was, adding to the fun of it. But I think we all really felt positive then, as do we now.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Of course, any World Cup I'm looking forward to.
How was the environment inside?
It was really fun. I think the crowd is really enjoying the game, and I was too. I'm not really like that in the loop of cricket. I don't know too much about cricket, but the whole energy is so fun in the stadium that it's always fun to watch.
Which team you were supporting? Salman or Ritesh? Which team you were supporting?
Salman.
In the World Cup,
Sorry? That they win.
which team do you think will win the World Cup?
I hope India.
You hope India will. What is the mindset?
India.
Anushka seems to be working for the team. She creates magic there whenever she's there. So do you think she should accompany the Indian team there on tour?
Sorry?
Whenever Anushka is there, Virat performs very well. Do you think she should
I think so.